Hey, what's wrong? You look upset, Sunshine. It's rare to see you like this. And don't try to tell me it's nothing. You can tell when something is off. Come on, let's sit down on the couch and you can tell me what's up. There we go. You sounded a bit off in your message already, so I was worried about you. Got here as fast as I could without causing an accident. What kind of a friend would I be if I just let you sit at home all by yourself feeling bad? A terrible one. That's the answer. Here. I still had some of your favorite snacks at home, in case of emergency. I had a feeling you might need them right now. Now, tell me, Sunshine. What's bothering you? You look like your grandma got trapped in a well or something. Wait. Don't tell me you got broken up with. Jeez. I had a feeling that was going to happen. Player's gonna play and all that. But you seriously don't deserve to get dumped like this. No matter how much I despise that childish idiot. And how much I didn't like how you were treated in the relationship. To be honest, it made me really angry to see how little you were cared about. But I didn't want to make it seem like I was jealous that you were dating somebody. I was worried that if I told you, you'd get upset with me. And I didn't want to lose you over something like that. Especially since I felt as though you needed me during that time. I would rather keep quiet and still be able to be there than say what I think and have you leave me. Maybe I should have warned you. I'm sorry. But you seemed so excited about someone showing interest in you. And I didn't want to mess that up. You deserve to be in a relationship. A happy one. I was worried my prejudice was getting the better of me. Because why would anyone not want to date you? You're absolutely fantastic. A great listener, funny, and incredibly sweet. You're good looking, too. Charming, if you want to be. Anyone would be lucky to have a person like you by their side. I wanted to convince myself that doof nugget actually had feelings for you. But it seems as though my instincts were right. Even though this is the only time I wish they hadn't been. I'm so sorry, Sunshine. You don't deserve to get your light dimmed like this. But one rainy day doesn't mean you'll never see the sun again. Sometimes you just need a few clouds to cool off and really appreciate the sky once everything is over. I know that's cheesy, but it's probably true. And maybe you'll even get to see a rainbow. Who knows? That is to say, take your time. Being upset and mourning about something is a very natural response. Your body and mind need time to reset. So, get everything out of your system. If you feel like it, we can go to the forest later and you can scream as loud as you want to. It might help blow off the steam a bit. Or you can come over to my place and we can cook together and have a movie night. Some cuddles if you're up for it. Or I could just give you some time alone. And you tell me when you're ready. You can call me anytime, sunshine. Even if it's 3 a.m. on a weekday, I'll always pick up. I'd rather have you talk to me than sleep while you feel bad. And you know, I'm always just a message away. I can hop in my car and be at your house in about 10 minutes. 15 if I stop to get some snacks. You know, you can always call me and ask me to sit there in silence with you if you need it. Or I can just come over to cuddle. No questions asked. I won't force you to talk to me. Just hugs and snacks are a-okay. Whatever you need, sunshine. I care about you. And I want you to feel as good as possible. And if you need me to tear that damn schmuck apart, I will do so with joy. If it helps you, I will bring you that filthy head on a platter. Trust me, I will make it hurt. A person like that deserves pain, deserves to be taught a lesson. Nobody is allowed to treat you like that and get away with it. And I will make sure everybody knows that. I will carve it into their skin, if that's what it takes for those fuckers to remember. Sorry, sunshine. I know I can get a bit too passionate about this. I hope I didn't scare you with that. It's pack mentality. If they mess with my family, I will fuck up theirs. I mean, you're probably used to that from me already. I get a bit intense about the people I love. And, my friends. Well, of course, I love you, silly. You're my best friend, after all. But I didn't want to make it sound odd. Since you just got out of a relationship and all that, I didn't want to make it seem like I had a crush on you. The word love is very easy to misinterpret when I use it like that. I want you to be happy, sunshine. That's all I care about. And I do think that classifies as love. Don't you? I want to see you smile. Be there for you when you're crying. I love the feeling of having you around. Getting to hang out with you. The warm cuddles. The disastrous foods we cook. I wouldn't trade that for anything in the world. And I won't let anyone take that from us. We're a team, sunshine. And a great one at that. That's what I meant. Maybe it's silly, but I don't care. I just want to get to be with you. I mean, be around you. But, yes, I do love you, sunshine. Very much so.